Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is how to find parts of 100. If we're given an addition equation, like 27 plus blank equals 100, we want to use some of our mental math strategies to help us figure out what this is. So the first part we're going to look at is the ones. And the reason we do that is because we can use those ones to help us make one of the tens that's going to get us to 100. So I would start by thinking about, okay, 7 plus what is going to get me to my next 10? So we know that 7 plus 3 is going to give us 10. So this answer right here can go up in our actual answer because we found what our ones is. Now I want to look at the tens. When I'm looking at my tens, I have to keep in mind that I already found one part of my answer. So if I think about over here as a subtraction problem, 100 minus 10 equals 90. So I only need to worry about 2 or 20 plus something is going to give us 90, because that's all we have left to find. We've already found 10 of that 100. So I would know that 20 plus 70 equals 90. So my answer, I would take that 7, and I would get 73 as my answer. Now, in my own brain, if I'm looking at 27 plus blank equals 100, I want to start with the bigger part. I would want to start with the tens. If I did it this way, I would think about 20 plus blank equals 100, and I would get 80. So I could put an 80 right here, an 8 right there. But then, now if I look at my ones, 7 plus 3 equals 10. That would give me 83. Now if I tried to add 27 plus 83, this is some double-digit addition here. 7 plus 3 equals 10, so I put the 0 down and carry the 1. 8 plus 2 equals 10, plus 1 more is 11, so 110, which is 10 numbers higher than what I want my answer to be. So that's why we always start with the ones, so that we can make sure that our answer is the same as 100. Hopefully this is helpful as a review while you're doing your work tonight, and be sure to let me know if you have any questions.